Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the new Anker 265 watt. This is the Nano 265 watt. There's one port on here that does 65 total watts with their IQ technology. Has a flip out prong. This can charge everything from the iPhone 8 up to your 13 Pro Max at full speed. It can charge laptops, a MacBook Air, as well as a MacBook Pro M1 13-inch. Here's some quick details on the back right here. Of course, that will be in the description below. So it can power your headphones, like Audi's headphones. It can power the Soundcore earbuds. It can power the Soundcore speakers that they have. They have all kinds of really cool Flare 2 speakers and the Mini 3 Pro and also the Mini as well. It can power this iPhone 10, no problem, but it can do everything from earbuds all the way up to full-size MacBook Pro computers. And this is the Nano 2 65 watt, fits in your palm of your hand, from Anker. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.